Ha? Napupunit. Also that chalk. Ice chocolate. F, CFO, here. Kaya ko to. Good morning, people of the world. Today we have Lueve. Then we have a shoot. This is because all thanks to you guys, because you made this sold out. It's a secret and I cannot say. After that, so we can't show much. After that, we do Victoria Beckham. And then after that, I have a Louboutin event. That's what we're doing today. It's gonna be fun, as usual. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to give you the energy that I have. Yes.
Better if you are on the other. I love it so much. Thank you. Appreciate it. All good.
Pagkinaw ba? Hindi siya bata aircon. Paki-off yung aircon. Paki-off yung aircon! Ba't ganon? Masaya ka ko ah. Masaya ka ko ah. Bukas lamig. Oh my God, it's gonna be so cold. Hindi daw tayo darating. The show dear is at 2:30 eh.
So much.
Ako yung may kulay talaga.
All this time she was standing.
I feel better now.
With just one.
Where I had a little launch before here when I had my collaboration with Gaz Bijou. I think that was like mga 4 or 5 years ago.
Yung gold na, ganda.
It would take me approximately 2 hours and something to walk. Or almost 3. And then pag walapit na dumilim, uwi na ako sa tatakot ako.
You already have a one.
Wait a minute, this is too deep, too deep. Gotta change the station, so turn it back.
Sige, go. Kahit yung talagang hindi ko na maramdaman yung katawan ko. Gusto mo spray na? Feeling ko ito na yung mamaya ko sa Victoria Beckham. And again, don't forget, by next year, we're going to have a price increase. So, minus the tax, which is 13-14%. Yung umaga dear nag-get ready with me, di ba? Pumayag tayo. Acris, sa Acris Day yun. Dear, sabi mo Hermes. Acris yun. It's for Acris. Kasi sa Fashion
iba
TV.
pa pala to. Iba pa pala.
Iba pa to. Confirm di na ako makakapunta kay Darling Louboutin.
Confirm pa
Parang
na.
umiinit na yung lumalabas sa ilong ko. Hindi kasi ako nagsha-shopping eh. Nung nagsha-shopping ako, medyo tumataas yung energy ko, pero I've changed. Not yet! Who said I'm raising the white flag?
You ready?
I'm done with the shoot, and now we're getting ready for the last show. Gusto kong mahimatay. Stress ako. But we did it. Ito lang yung sinulid dito.
Il avait tout le choix. Restez au sein immédiat. Attention derrière. S'il vous plaît.
That's
I love it.
Kwarto, but it is Victoria Beckham.
It's giving.
Nice.
Slytherin.
This is deja vu.
Wow! Yeah. Deja vu moment. Sakto yun.
Pero ang gagawin
Damay-damay na
kita
tayo.
namin. May magandang mangyayari. Charot. Good night.
Good night.
Sorry. Alam mo, may chika ako.
Tapos nag-dark.